Turkey is going to steal Somalia's oil. According to an agreement just revealed to the public, Turkey will be entitled to 90% of all revenue generated from exploiting Somalia's oil. This agreement was made between the two governments of Somalia and Turkey in private without any input whatsoever from the Somali people. This is pure theft, this is pure colonialism from Turkey. So how did it get to this point? Well, one of the reasons is that until recently, Somalia and Turkey actually had fairly good relations. When there was a drought and there was conflict in 2011 and all the Western governments left Somalia, Turkey was one of the only countries in the world that agreed to provide humanitarian and diplomatic support to Somalia. But of course, any country doesn't give anything for free, and now what Turkey is doing, it is exploiting this relationship in order to take Somalia's resources. Now, Turkey might say, oh, well, we're providing security, so are we not entitled to some sort of benefit from this? Well, it's not really an equal exchange, because again, when you're taking 90% of all revenue, that's theft, and that is a way to exploit a country that is right now quite vulnerable. Turkey will be taking 90% of all the oil, while half of people in Somalia don't even have access to electricity, and Somalia is one of the poorest countries in the world. I beg all Somali people in Somalia and abroad to oppose this agreement. You got protests, you have to write petitions, you have to talk to your government representatives, you have to do everything possible, because if Turkey gets away with it, this is just the beginning. They're going to continue to take more and more, unless, of course, Somali people step up and oppose this. I am quite sickened by this agreement, and I hope you are too. Thank you.